Good morning and happy Tuesday. And I'm so excited to be here with you live today because we are talking all about your summer nutrition roadmap. So before we dive into this, I want to know, are you watching with us live? Are you watching us on the replay? Let us know down in the comments below, but we're going to dive right into it. So as of today, we have a brand new free guide that is out now for you to get delivered straight to your inbox. It is our summer roadmap, and that summer roadmap is helping you navigate and successfully maneuver through cookouts, graduation parties, get-togethers, even meals out away from the home. Maybe you're going to a restaurant or a bar to eat. You can absolutely use all of these strategies, all of these key pieces to help you navigate those with confidence. Very often do we hear people say, I love to go out to eat. Do I have to give that stuff up? My summer is busy with cookouts and parties. We had a cookout this past weekend. We're going to one this Saturday. The next weekend we have a wedding. We've got stuff every single weekend, and we use this exact strategy that we're sharing with you inside the summer nutrition roadmap that's helping you navigate parties, cookouts, meals away from home with confidence every single week. This is something that our clients already have. They know how to navigate. They feel confident, especially in the Christmas time, in the holiday time, for them to feel their best in all of those situations. So we're walking you through, before you even go, the morning of whatever it is, the meals beforehand, navigating the appetizers, navigating the main entrees, navigating the desserts, navigating what to do after the fact if you feel guilty. Plus, we're giving you five healthy and absolutely delicious recipes for things that you can bring along to these parties and get-togethers, cookouts, graduation parties, so much more, so that you can still contribute and you can still enjoy a lovely, maybe it's a salad, maybe it's a side dish, maybe it's a dip, all of those things, and our 5 recipes that are coming along with this as well. So this is our exact roadmap. You can print it off. You can read it over. It's going to be delivered right to your inbox when you join the Nourish with Emily email list. You're also going to be getting our recipes every single Wednesday. We send out a new recipe to the group. So you're going to want to go ahead and check that out. We also send out every single week a recap on Friday with resources that we've maybe add, things that are upcoming or things that have happened this past week, special deals, offers, and so much more. So when you join the Nourish with Emily email list, you get a lot of education, support, accountability, helping you get started down that road, and exclusive offers too for you to work with us and to have your own success, whether that be in our small group coaching program that's kicking off July 8th, whether that be in the Nourish membership where you get the community aspect and the resources to help you start to make change, or in our signature nutrition coaching program that helps you start to feel confident in your own skin with that dedicated one-on-one support and guidance to help make that. So we're so excited to be sharing this with you. You can get this now. I'm going to leave that link down in the comments below, but up to these parties, get-togethers, cookouts, so much more, and not walk away feeling like I overdid it. I messed up. I'm feeling uncomfortably full. I don't know what to do now. It is going to be an easy thing that you can review every time. So you're going to be getting this delivered right to your inbox. We'll send it over to you today. It'll be delivered right away, along with some other goodies as well too, with those 5 easy recipes. So if you're not part of the Nourish with Emily email list and you don't have this yet in your inbox, if you're already on the list, we're going to be sending it out to you again this Friday. So you will be getting it too if you're already on our email list. But if you're not on our email list yet and you want to be a part of this, now is the time to join. So I'll drop that link down in the comments below. A couple other things that we have going on this week inside of Nourish with Emily. Like we said, our 8-week small group coaching program is kicking off on July 8th. The first call is going to be on July 8th. We're so excited to be working with the fabulous women that are inside of it. It is already 50% full. So there are only 4 spots available. This program is a hard cap at 8 people. If you're feeling like you're stuck, if you're feeling like your issues, your struggle goes far beyond just cookouts and parties where you have no idea what to make for yourself for the week, you feel lost and confused of what actually is healthy, what should I be doing? You want the support, you want the community, you want the weekly education calls to help you start to make change. This 8-week small group coaching program is for you. So go ahead and join it now. I can drop that link down in the comments below as well. Payment plans are available. So if you're interested in joining this, you can break up the payments into 4 payments of $150 spread over the next 2 months, where then you can join us and have less of that, I have to spend all of this money right now. It's split up. And this is also HSA and FSA applicable as well too. Those that are in the Nourish membership get first dibs at our group program spots. So if you're in the Nourish membership or want to join, that's only $29 a month for resources like this roadmap, but so much more, like 200 different resources, guides, and handouts available at your fingertips anytime. Our client group chat, food tracking with feedback from the team, and so much more is available. So we'll leave all of these links down in the comments below. But there's so many ways that you can get involved and get inside with Nourish with Emily to make this your healthiest summer yet. Start by grabbing that roadmap to help you navigating summer cookouts, parties, get-togethers, and so much more today. Have a great day.